Are you a maniacal psycho struggling to get cleaned up after a rough night on the job? Are you the victim of negligent homicide, seeking revenge against the demographic that wronged you? Maybe you're trying to eliminate your last surviving family member for no discernible reason. Do you kill people in their dreams? Are you a human being who takes showers? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then we have the solution you've been waiting for. The Slasher Splasher is a new monthly shower supply subscription box from Monster Flesh and Mane. Clean those work-related stains and fluids with our Bloodbath Body Wash. Rinse zombie brains from your hair and repair it with Monster's Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Soothe your desiccated husk with Dr. Frankenstein's Flesh Revival Cream. You can even add on a bottle of Monster Beard Oil to splash on your mane post-cleansing. Buy once or save by choosing a monthly subscription and never have to remember to buy shower supplies again. The Slasher Splasher, available now in Bigfoot, Ghostly Pirate, Psycho Clown, and Reaper scents.